Today I'm testing Golpo AI, and you're about to see how this tool can turn your script, PDF, web page, or document into a professional 2D whiteboard animation video, up to 20 minutes long, in just 5 minutes. So let's get into it. The Golpo AI link is in the description below. You can try it for free there. Golpo AI offers some genuinely stunning animation styles: whiteboard, chalkboard, pen on whiteboard, and even colorful animated styles. There's a lot of variety here. Once you sign up, you'll land on a clean, simple dashboard. Nothing complicated. First, let's clone a voice. Then we'll use that voice inside our video. You can track your credit usage right from here. Now let's head into voice clone. You can either use your own voice and record it directly, up to 10 seconds, or if you're not comfortable with your own voice, you can design a completely unique voice using 11 Labs and upload it here to clone inside Golpo AI. I'm uploading my recorded audio sample here. Add a voice name, accept the terms and conditions, and hit create voice clone. That's it, voice cloned successfully. Now let's create a video using this voice. There are quite a few options here. If you turn script mode on, you can paste your full script directly. If you turn it off, you just type a simple prompt or video topic instead. And with own narration turned on, you can either record your audio live or paste an existing recording. But I don't have a voice script ready right now, so I'm turning this off. Instead, I'm typing a simple topic: what is the future of AI? Next, there are two animation styles available: Golpo Canvas and Golpo Sketch. You can preview both styles to see which one fits your content better. Personally, I'm going with Golpo Canvas for this one. There's also an audio-only option here. If you enable this, it only generates the audio, no video. I'm keeping this off for now. Then you'll see two more options: add voice instructions and video instructions. Since I'm using my cloned voice, I don't need to add voice instructions. But for video instructions, this is where you describe how you want your video to look, what kind of visuals should appear, and the overall vibe. Next up, and this is a genuinely interesting feature: characters. This lets you add your own custom character into the video, with a consistent face across every single scene. Perfect for story-driven or narrative-style videos. I'm skipping this for now, but it's definitely worth exploring if you're building character-based content. Make sure you tick Edit Script before creating video. Then add your background music, and here's something genuinely impressive: Golpo AI can generate videos up to 10 minutes long. Now for the voice, Golpo AI only offers 4 preset voices, but since we already cloned our own, I'm selecting that instead. I'll keep the orientation horizontal. One thing worth mentioning, Golpo AI supports almost every major language, so you can create your video in whichever language fits your audience. For style, I'm choosing Sharpie style. I'll keep the pacing fast, and for the pen-in-hand animation, I'll select a pen style that fits. Once everything looks good, save your settings and hit Generate Script. And there it is, the script is generated. Take a moment to review it carefully. If something feels off, you can regenerate it. Once you're happy with it, click Create Video from Script. You'll also be asked whether you want to make this video public on Golpo's public library. Select No if you want to keep it private. And that's it, the video has been generated. Let's head over to the library and check out the final result.
AI isn't one thing. It depends on what systems can do, where they're used, and what we choose to allow. We're moving from tools that answer questions to systems that plan and act, more like junior digital coworkers. AI will fade into everyday software, healthcare, and infrastructure, boosting productivity but reshaping jobs. The big uncertainties are trust, regulation, energy costs, and control. The outcome won't be decided by machines alone, but by millions of human decisions.
Honestly, this looks genuinely impressive. The animation flow is smooth, the visuals sync perfectly with the narration, and the overall video quality is very clean. This is seriously good. And here's the thing, you can create a video on literally any topic using Golpo. The flexibility here is genuinely impressive. If you're happy with the result, go ahead and download it directly from here. But if you want to make any edits, just click Edit and you'll be taken straight into Golpo's editing dashboard. From here, you can adjust your animation styles like sketch transitions or fade-in effects. There's also a really useful feature called Edit Prompt. This lets you replace any text or visual element directly inside your video. Just select the component you want to change. For example, I'm typing "replace the heading with this" and click Apply Change. And look at that, the heading has been updated instantly. You can do this for literally any scene in your video. And if you ever feel stuck, Golpo has an in-depth tutorial that walks you through everything in detail. Once you're happy with all your edits, just click Finalize Video. And that's it! Your fully edited video is exported and ready to use. So that's how you can create beautiful, professional whiteboard animation videos using Golpo AI. Now let's talk pricing. You can get started at $39 per month. But here's something important to know. This plan gives you 20 credits per month, and 1 credit equals 1 minute of video. So you're looking at roughly 20 minutes of video generation per month on the base plan. Personally, I'd recommend the growth plan. It gives you up to 150 credits and 150 minutes of video generation per month, and unlocks colorful animations as well. The starting plans are limited to black and white video only. However, if colorful animation isn't a priority for you, you can consider any of the plans that suit you. Now, everything you've seen in this video was created manually, step by step. But the exciting part is that you can automate this entire workflow using Claude Code. Imagine generating your whiteboard animation videos with almost no manual work. If you'd like a complete tutorial on that Claude Code automation workflow, just comment yes below. If enough of you are interested, that'll be my next video. So that wraps up this Golpo AI review and tutorial. If you're an educator or you create explainer content for YouTube, Golpo AI is genuinely one of the best tools in the market right now for this kind of content. A lot of creators are making serious money simply by producing explainer-style videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.